Hello everyone, welcome back to this last video of our data science series. In this lecture, we are going to cover association rules. Association rules unveiling hidden patterns in data. The title suggests unveiling hidden patterns in data, and so is the deed of association rules. Now let's look more in the lecture how it is unveiling hidden patterns of data. What are association rules? Like first there is a sentence which I want to say, if antecedent then consequent, like if A happens then B will happen. In more general term, if I can say, अगर तू जाएगी तो मैं जाऊंगी, more like that. So it is discovering the relationships. Like association rules identify the relationships between items in a data set, showing how the presence or absence of one item affects the likelihood of other. Because for example in college, if there are two friends, like really good friends, if one is present, we can predict that another will also be there around, and if one is not there, another will not be there, kind of that relationship. And it is very useful in marketing. Think of a supermarket. Like association rules can reveal that what customer like to um, buy. For example, bread and butter is a combination, and if bread is bought, there's much likelihood of the customer buying butter also. Now we can have mining association rules. We can use it using Python. First we are preparing the data, then we are generating frequent item sets, and then we are extracting the association rules. Let's have a look on the code. Okay, so here we are using association Python to find out association rules. So we are finding the frequent item sets using the a priori algorithm, so that we can know likelihood of getting the another item from the one item. From here we are from mlextend dot frequent patterns, we are importing a priori and association rules. Then we are importing pandas package spd. We have this data set, and then we are applying a priori algorithm to find frequent item sets. It will basically count the number of times it has been brought, like milk 1 2 3 4 times it have been brought, butter, bread being bought 5 times, butter being bought 4 times, cheese 3, and eggs 3. And then we are generating association rules using these frequent item sets and using the metric as lift. Then we are printing the association rules. So this is what it has got some error, no problem. We will get some we have got some issue, but this is how it is going to be found out. And then we are applying the confidence difference criterion using Python. We have, when once found the association rules, like this is being used, this is being bought by this, because we are getting the support. Then we are using the confidence that if this is bought, then this is bought, that if confidence is right, that yes, it is likely, because it is not going to happen that once a customer has bought a thing and it is very certain to buy the next item next time. But if it has been happened frequently, then it can lead to more prediction. So here we have used confidence, and this confidence difference is used, and then we have printed the confidence difference. And then we have used confidence quotient criterion, so that we have got this confidence rule 1 confidence values divided by rule 2 confidence values, and then we have got the confidence quotient. Don't know, something is wrong in the code, but yeah, this is how it works. Now let's have a look of the a priori algorithm which we have talked about in the code. We have support, confidence, and lift. Support is the frequency of an item set in the data set. A higher support indicates a more common occurrence. Like we have counted it, we have got 5 times bread, 4 times butter, milk 4 times, and so on. Then we have confidence, the probability of item B occurring given that item A has already occurred. Higher confidence indicates a strong association, that is, if antecedent then coincident. Then lift, it is measured as the strength of association beyond what would be expected by chance. A lift is greater than 1 suggests a positive association. Like if the value of list is greater than 1, then we can assume that it has a positive association. Applying the confidence difference criterion, first we have the motivation, then we have formula. Formula is confidence minus confidence difference is confidence minus average confidence. Then we apply those rules. In Python, we have calculated average confidence, then confidence difference, then we have filtered the rules, that whether those rules are up to mark to the confidence or not. If they are up to mark, then we are keeping them as association rules, and if they are not, then we are not considering them as association rules. Then we have also applied confidence quotient criterion, which is motivation, formula, and application, which we have just discussed. And then we can have a look on the real world applications of association rules. The very nice example of this is a supermarket. And we have recommendation system. E-commerce platforms can recommend product based on previous purchase items, leading to increased sales and customer satisfaction. This is a bait to us in e-commerce websites. Like if you have recently bought product, like for example, if you have recently bought a phone, they will use to suggest you the phone covers, the phone accessories, which you will tend to buy, or they can give some offers on that, that you will tend to buy, that oh, if it is being given 50% off, then we'll buy it. That's a bait given by the e-commerce platforms, and it is very helpful for them. Then market based basket analysis, that retailers can use association rules to optimize product placement and pricing strategies, boosting revenue and customer engagement. This make me to tell you that once I have visited, like recently I've seen in a supermarket that near the counters there have been kept chocolates, so that we tend to buy chocolates. And near bread there are kept butter, Nutella, so that you tend to buy those. Also there is combo offers on uh, chocos and that choco ball and a different flavored breakfast, so like cornflakes and chocos, so that you tend to buy like cornflakes for the adults and chocos for kids, and some off, some percent off, or some prices off for that, reduce for that. So these are the marketing strategies which are being used by using the association rule mining. And then is healthcare, which can used in diagnosis and treatment. So this is it for association rule mining, and this is it for our data science video series. I hope you learned most topics from this series. Thank you for completing this series.